Did you know that history's most feared warrior died from a nosebleed on his wedding night? Attila the Hun was the terror of Europe. For 20 years, he crushed armies and brought the mighty Roman Empire to its knees. Entire cities emptied when they heard his name. He conquered half of Europe and seemed unstoppable. But in 453, something incredible happened. Attila decided to take a new wife, a beautiful Gothic princess named Ildiko. The wedding feast was legendary. Wine flowed like rivers, and the great conqueror had drank more than ever before. That night, Attila went to bed completely drunk. Sometime during the night, he got a nosebleed, probably from all the alcohol. But here's the shocking part. He was too drunk to wake up. He choked on his own blood and died. The man who terrorized half the world was killed by a nosebleed. Within months, his massive empire completely collapsed. His sons fought each other for power, and the Huns vanished from history forever. Sometimes the mightiest fall in the most unexpected ways.